Hey, what's going on YouTube? I want to show you how you can use the rank.average function in Microsoft Excel to return the rank of your data. So here we have daily sales. We want to see how $37 stacks up compared to all of our other daily sales. To do this using the rank.average function, we can do equals rank.average open parentheses. Now the first argument is a number. So what number do we want to rank? We want to rank the $37, right? Reference. So the second, where do we want to have the reference compared to? Well, we want to have this compared to all the other sales that we have right here, right? And in order. So the function defaults to being descending, but you can type it one to have it as ascending. Now, one thing to note is that this last argument is optional, and you can tell that it's optional in that the function will work without it because it is in brackets. But we wanted to specify the default, descending, and close parentheses. Now, as you can see, $37 is the 10th highest sales amount. But if we go into this function and we type in 1, as you can see, is also, going from smallest to greatest is 33. Going back to 0, and we're going to throw this down for everything. So we're going to do function F4 to, I'm on a laptop, so function F4, PC is F4. But we're going to see how this compares to all of our other data. And as you can see now, it returns the rank of all of our data. One thing to note too that you will see is kind of weird is 18.5. Well, why is that? That is because you have two values that are the same. It will return the average rank of these two values, right? So you kind of read it when you're typing it right here, but it says if one or more values has the same rank, the average rank is returned. So the average rank for 25 is 18.5. The average rank for 9 is 19. But one thing to note too is that it still gives the same rank for these values. So if you're trying to select some sort of unique rank, this could present a challenge where you might have to, for example, make a slight, adjustment so that way it will differentiate the ranks better. As you can see, 25.00001 is different than 25. But that's one thing to note whenever you're using this function. That said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.